Hey everyone, this is Rishabh. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up everything you need to start developing with SecureMR. First of all, we'll start with your Pico developer account setup. So all the steps are mentioned in the documentation. You just need to follow these. It's right below Get Started and Quick Start. First of all, you create an account. Then you create an organization. And after that, you would be logged into your developer platform. On developer platform, you would see different types of apps which you would be creating. So let's say if you want to create one app, so you would give it some test name, select 6DOF platform and just create it. So this is how you would create one app. And the important part here is the app ID, which we would be copying and pasting in the Unity. The second step is to download Unity Hub, which manages your Unity versions and projects. So this is how you download it. You go to Unity download page, you download the version for your system, and this is how it would look. After that, we would be going to SecureMR GitHub link and cloning the repo. After it's done, you would go to projects. You would click on add, and you would click on add project from disk and just open it. This would give you a warning, but I would recommend using the editor version, which is mentioned on the README, which is this, and that's exactly what it's suggesting us. So we would install this. Also, make sure you tick on Android build support because we would be developing an Android project here. So after you have installed the editor, you need to install the SDK now. So you go to this link and there's a download button here. Just open that. You would see two softwares here. First is Pico Developer Center. It's a great software for checking your headset connection, restarting device, and seeing the logs. And the main SDK we need to download is this Pico Unity Integration SDK. Just click on download and unzip it. This is the main file which we would be importing in the Unity. So after you've downloaded the SDK, open Unity, and now we'll install the SDK. Go to Window, click on Package Manager, and click on Install Package from Disk. Just open the SDK folder which you have downloaded. Click on package.json and click Open. This will install the SDK. And after this is installed, it would also open this window and just click on Apply. After that, we would install the OpenXR plugin by name. So paste this com.unity.xr.openxr and click install. It will install the OpenXR plugin for you. After that, we would go to project settings, go to edit, project settings, and click on player. Here we need to make sure that a few settings are in place. First is the minimum level API. It should be Android 10, target API level automatic. Configuration, scripting backend should be this, and make sure the ARM64 option is ticked. After that, we would go back to our platform and click on the app which you have created. Go to API test and just copy this app ID. We need to paste this in Unity. So go back to Unity, click on Pico, platform settings, and here's where you paste your app ID. Make sure there's no gap here. So we are done with the setup. Now we just need to connect our headset to the PC by a USB cable. And to make sure it's connected, just go to the Pico console and you can see like it's connected here. Now to run the sample, go to scenes and you would see different types of scenes here. First is the UFO demo. Second is the minimal app. Third is color demo. I would show you the UFO demo. Just click on it and open this. It would open the scene here. You also need to make sure that this script, pxr underscore manager, the secure MR option is ticked. This is what is going to make it work. And after that, we would need to build this. So open build profiles, select the scene list. We would select this to UFO demo. And on Android, you would see a run device option. Just select your headset which you have connected and click build and run. Give this a name and save. So after you click build and run, this would open the project in the headset and I can show you how it looks. So there would be a UFO following you. This is the setup.